Kazakhstan's street food is a window into its rich nomadic heritage and diverse cultural influences. One standout delicacy is kuyurdak, a traditional dish made from lamb or beef organ meats, cooked with onions and spices, reflecting the resourceful nature of Kazakh nomads. Shoppers at local markets enjoy baursaki, fluffy fried dough balls often accompanied by tea, showcasing the communal and hospitable spirit of the people. During winter, shubat, fermented camel milk, provides a unique and nutritious experience for locals and visitors alike. These culinary offerings offer a glimpse into Kazakh history and its blend of traditional lifestyles with modern influences, creating an unforgettable street food adventure.